Guys, this is Mariam. Let me make a quick intro to this video, and it's basically a very colorful look, and I named it Peacock Feathers. And yeah, if you're interested, keep watching. So I've used Anastasiabeverlyhills on my brows first, and then I'm priming my eyes with Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Now I'm using Urban Decay Crystal Liner palette, using orange shade, focusing mainly on crease, and buffing out a little, blending a little, but main focus is on crease. Now that I'm done with it, I'm using Makeup Revolution, the same concealer, and cutting out my half of the crease. Using green shade from the palette, that is shimmery shade, focusing onto the inner part of the lid. Now I'm using light blue shade from the palette right beside that green color. I'm using darker blue shade and packing around with my fingers, using black shade onto the outer corners and blending it with the blending brush from Real Technique. I'm using the green silver duochrome shade from this palette and pack on to the brow bone and inner corner of the eyes. This is the best liner I've used so far, using NYX matte liquid liner, and it applies so beautifully. It has a brush tip. I love it, absolutely love it. So after color correcting my under eyes, I'm using Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and putting it under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin and forehead, blending it with my sponge. To set my under eyes, I'm using banana powder from LA Colors palette. Now I'm using the Balm Desert palette to bronze and blush my face. Now for achieving a very healthy, glowy and natural kind of look on my face, I'm gonna be using Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in shade Be My Highlight. Coming back to eyes, I'm using the same orange color from Urban Decay palette and smoking out the lower lash line. Now using the same black shade and putting onto the outer corners. Popping on some Sweettouch lashes now and using Masarratmisbah lipstick in shade Allure. How beautiful is that shade? I love it. So yeah, that's it for today, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and click the subscribe button right below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.